Hi everyone, Dante here working with Microsoft, and for today's video, we're gonna be discussing features of M365. So, para sa mga end user natin na hindi pa alam na yung Office 365 is ng Microsoft 365, so don't you guys worry, nasa tamang video kayo because ang daming bagong features na pwede nyong ma-enjoy just like OneDrive. So alam niyo ba, with Microsoft 365, you will get 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So ano ba yung pwede natin gawin with OneDrive? Well, you can actually save everything with OneDrive. You can access it anytime, anywhere. You can access it across all of your devices, whether it's Windows, Mac, iOS, or even Android. Plus, you can also share your files instantly and securely sa mga friends mo and even your colleagues. Plus, may additional feature pa si OneDrive, which is OneDrive Personal Vault, where you can actually store your files and important documents inside the vault. Pwede mo lang ma-access yun via text or via email by one-time password only. Another new feature of M365 is Microsoft Family Safety. Well, for me, this is a good addition in terms of features and na may enjoy ng ating mga end user. So ano ba yung pwedeng gawin or ano ba yung kayang gawin ng Microsoft Family Safety? You can actually set or develop healthy digital habits because Microsoft Family Safety sends you notification kung ilang oras na gumagamit ng gadgets yung iyong anak and kung ano yung mga gadgets or devices na ginagamit niya. Another feature of Microsoft Family Safety is you can actually see or set screen time balance. So, pwede kang mag-set kung ilang oras lang gumamit ng device or ng gadget yung anak mo, for example. So, pwede siyang nag-Xbox, nag-laptop, or even nag-iPad. Magkakaroon ka ngayon ng power to set limitations dun sa mga devices na yon. And what's good about Microsoft Family Safety is you can actually choose the right content. It depende doon sa ating user. So for example, meron kang anak na 12 years old, you can actually set age restrictions and keep peace of mind doon sa mga website na binivisit niya with Microsoft Family Safety. And another cool new feature with Microsoft Family Safety is you can actually locate your loved ones. So it automatically shares locations of each of your loved ones seamlessly. So no need to worry kung nasa na sila or kung saan sila pumunta. And of course, there's a tons of beautiful features with M365. Improve your writing skills with Microsoft Editor. Editor helps you take your writing to the next level with real-time corrections and suggestions. So that's it with M365. Again, don't forget that every device needs Microsoft 365. Again, this is Dante and have a good day.